might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Hello bakers, welcome back to our kitchen. In today's episode, the final chapter of our chocolate chip cookie series, we're going to perfect our craft with some essential baking tips and techniques. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, these tips will help you bake the best cookies you've ever tasted. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Always start with room temperature ingredients, especially butter and eggs. This ensures your dough mixes evenly without overworking it. Next up, measuring your ingredients accurately is crucial. For flour, spoon it into your measuring cup and level it off with a knife. This prevents the flour from being packed down and adding too much to your dough. Another key technique is creaming your butter and sugar together until just right. It should look light and fluffy. This creates air pockets in the dough that make your cookies light and tender. Let's talk about chilling your dough. Chilling it for at least an hour or even overnight helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much and enhances the flavor. Trust me, it's worth the wait. When you're ready to bake, line your baking sheets with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This helps with even baking and makes cleanup a breeze. Oven temperature is another critical factor. Make sure your oven is preheated and at the right temperature. Use an oven thermometer to check, as some ovens can be off by quite a bit. And finally, don't overbake. Take the cookies out when they are just slightly golden around the edges but still soft in the center. They'll continue to cook on the baking sheet after you remove them from the oven. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey through the world of chocolate chip cookies. We hope you've enjoyed the series and picked up some valuable baking secrets along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Share your cookie success stories and keep spreading the joy of baking. Until next time, happy baking!